Kaylyn and Michelle of Bloom Planners are going to take over the world. So let's talk today about all the awesome things they are doing right from a business standpoint, how much I love their energy and their social media accounts, and how they run their business and their sales, and what you can learn from them and apply to your own planner business, as well, of course, as a walkthrough of one of their planners so you can see the layout and what they have. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I do unboxings like today on Saturdays. Now, today we're talking about Bloom Planners, and if you've never heard of Bloom Planners, I don't even know how that's possible. Like, you must go watch them right now. I will leave a link for their company below, but you can also find these planners. I found mine on Amazon, and this was only $5. Obviously, it was on sale. This is a 2018 planner, and I'll walk you through that in a minute. But they also have student planners. They have a baby planner. They have, a lot of accessories and pads, and basically they offer pretty much the same offerings as Erin Condren. So it is the same style where they have feminine, pretty designs. They are flowery. They also offer a ton of variety in terms of the internal layout as well. So I don't want to say they're the same company as Erin Condren, because they're not, but it's very similar in that it's a traditional planner company where you're going to find a lot of your favorites there, including stickers and some bookmarks and things that you are used to finding within a planner store. Now, one thing to keep in mind, like I said, this planner was $5, and that's because it was on sale, but even if it was not on sale, their typical price point is about $15. Now, give or take $1 here or there. These planners are the planners that you could find in, say, a Target or a TJ Maxx or a Home Goods, where you're going to get a nice planner and it is going to be very affordable. So I really like that. It's not a luxury high-end planner like Kate Spade or Coach. And keep in mind, I am not saying at all that it is a low quality. I just mean it is not trying to charge you, $300 for a planner. They're making these affordable. So they're marketing these to, I think, in my opinion, students and moms, and they are doing a great job of going after that target market. So let's just go through what I think are the top 6 things that they do really great, and then I will walk you through the inside of this planner so that you can see it. So if you want to see that, you can flip ahead. Now, the first thing I think they do really good is when you land on their website, as soon as you get there, they're going to offer you a discount coupon just for joining their mailing list. And this is pretty much e-commerce 101. If you have ever gone to any e-commerce store, I kind of expect it. I think you expect it. We all expect it when we go to Overstock or Wayfair, and they don't disappoint you in that way either. So it kind of, and obviously it helps to motivate you to purchase something right then and there. The second thing is they do free shipping if you buy $60 or more. Now, these are such a low price point that you could buy a ton of stuff. You could buy a ton of accessories, and they have a lot of varieties from you to choose from. I think they even had mouse pads. So don't worry that you won't get up to the $60 because the planner is so affordable. There are plenty of great things, including lots of great stickers that you could purchase on there as well. So the third thing is they offer these on Amazon Prime. So when I was looking at, there's another company, the Start Planner, and I have another unboxing on that. That is not available on Amazon Prime. So I feel like that is an issue, especially for a lot of us who like instant gratification and want overnight shipping of everything. Or maybe that's just me, I don't know. But I think that is a huge disadvantage if you're not on there, and they are on there and they're available. Number 4, something I think they do really great is they offer bundles and accessories on their website. So they've already incentivized you and kind of put together packages either for you so that you kind of have a ton of stuff coming to you at once, especially if you're getting ready for a new school year, or if you're giving this out as a gift. So I always love bundles. Now, number 5 is they offer different sizes and colors. And I think that is really important because one size doesn't fit all. And some people will just offer one size planner. And again, that's maybe like a higher end planner, but at this price point, it doesn't really make a lot of sense to offer just one size. And they do a great job on accommodating people with different size purses or preferences or other things. The other thing that they do really good is they had plastic packaging. So I did take this out, but this packaging, even though it arrived from Amazon, I like that it was in the plastic packaging. Now, this is not that expensive. It has a little tag, so I know it is, I feel like like it's brand new. Nobody has like touched it. But I think what's important is a huge issue that a lot of people have is that sometimes the corners, and these are meant to be corner protectors, but if they're not in plastic and they all get stacked together and at the fulfillment center, then they get scratched or ruined. And even at $5, you get kind of sad when your planner arrives and it's something you're going to be using for an entire year and it has nicks and scratches in it. It's a sad day when that happens. So bonus number 7, or maybe because I just can't count, is the most important part is that Kaylyn and Michelle have amazing energy. So you love like going to, or I do, to their social media accounts. They are always smiling. They're happy. Their employees are happy. Everyone has a great story. So it's like a fun place to hang out. So like just by ordering a Bloom planner, I feel like I'm part of their special fun club. So these are all great things that you could do for your business too. So let's go ahead and walk through this planner, and I want to show you the inside because I think they did an excellent job. Again, like I said, it is high quality, much higher quality than I would have expected for $5. And I'm not saying I was expecting something bad, but I think in your mind when you are ordering something that is not as expensive as say a $50 or $60 planner, you naturally just lower your expectations. But I was pleasantly surprised by this planner. This package arrives just like this from Amazon in their packaging. Now, I ordered a ton of other stuff from Amazon because clearly I have an Amazon purchasing problem. But the planner arrived just like this in perfect mint condition, and it has these cute little corners on it. And it says 2018 with, I believe that's their little daisy, which is their company logo. And over here on the cover and the inside, they have glued the 2018 year at a glance, which I love. I find this extremely useful. I really wish everybody would do this. And of course, your standard name, contact information, room for your mission statement, and then they also give you some free printables. So over here, you have a letter from Michelle and Kaylyn, the founders, and some areas here to put your goals. They have holidays, they have planning, they have a class schedule. Remember I said that they did try to target, I think, in my opinion, students, obviously. They have some notes at the beginning, which is interesting versus I'm used to seeing those in the back, but that's not a big deal. And then they have things to do, which has these cute little check marks. And over here, then we get into the address book, which I always find kind of funny because I keep everything in my phone, but I see that people are still making these. So maybe some people do like to have them written. And then we go right into January. So the back of January is still an address and phone number. And this is a little bit, I shouldn't say a little bit. This is not at all thicker of a piece of paper than the rest of the pages in here. It is the same. They just have it's a clear divider tab that they've stuck here on the edge. The monthly calendar takes up 2 days, and it has a little quote here and little lines here for goals, and then the month preceding and after. This is a horizontal layout, so I think this is possibly more for a student because they've given you room in the front to add your class schedule. And then each week basically it's what I call the rinse and repeat. It looks the same. It has the calendar at the top, and then you go right into your next month with your quote. So this one is purple. I think that's a purple, even though the front is blue, but that's fine. I obviously like purple because I have purple nail polish on. And then it has the holidays marked inside of here. So let's just fast forward all the way to the end because again, it's kind of the same thing each time. And the quotes are different on each page. And I should note that they do put a couple cute little icons to designate, first day of winter, but I don't think they're annoying. Like I can still write on that and be able to see my writing. Like over here, give thanks. It's not like it took up the whole page and I can't write anything. They've also done what I think is really nice is they've kind of grayed out the numbers for the month preceding. So there are no blanks inside the month. And the same thing for the month coming up, they put something there as well so you can see those numbers at the same time. Now, once you get to the very, very end, they have important dates for next year, which again is something standard you see in a lot of planners. And then that is the very last page. And over here, it's just kind of a memory thing for the year. And over here, you have your 2019, which is great because it mirrors the 2018. So you could quickly flip back and forth. And this is really cool. I know you guys, I don't know if you can see this. It has like a hidden little, I can't get my hand in there, folder pocket. And just in case your folder pocket, because I'm sure I would do this, in case your folder pocket like rips off, there are dates. The counter actually goes all the way down, so it's not white. And now this pocket is a little tight, so you're not going to get a lot in there, but this is a pretty small planner, so that's okay. And then of course the back is just the same as the front, but it's missing the little logo so that you know that's the back and this is the front. So did you guys love this planner as much as I did? It's so small and useful and compact. So this is my hand in relationship to the planner. So make sure you look at the sizes before you purchase to make sure this is a size that you want and would like. But let's recap and go over the top 6 things that they do great that I think you could start applying to your business. The first is as soon as you land on their page, they give you a coupon. The second is they offer free shipping to incentivize you to spend more. The third is they have their planners available in retailers like Amazon. The fourth is they offer bundles and accessories. The fifth is they come in a big variety of sizes and designs and colors. And the sixth, I can't even count, is that they have plastic packaging, even though it's through Amazon, which I think is key. And number 7, which is a bonus, is that Kaylyn and Michelle are just fun and do an amazing job on social media. Remember, if you want to learn more about Kaylyn and Michelle, make sure to subscribe and tune back in here on Monday because we will be doing an in-person interview with the 2 of them. All right, I hope that was helpful, and make sure to comment below and let me know which of those best practices you are already doing and if you have some new ideas that you would like to share with everybody else. All right, I hope everyone is having a great day, and if you are interested in being your own plannerpreneur and creating planners just like Michelle and Kaylyn, then make sure to sign up for Planner 101. That is a free course for anybody interested in starting a planner business. All right, I hope everyone's having a great week, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.